Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the watch and ensuring it has at least 50% battery. That keeps updates from interrupting. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the manufacturer's companion app so you can begin pairing. Once the app detects the watch, compare the pairing code shown on both devices and tap Confirm on the phone. This step establishes a secure link and syncs basic settings so notifications and time sync work immediately. Once paired, customize the watch face and adjust brightness and screen timeout to balance visibility with battery life. Make sure to grant notification permissions selectively. You want essential alerts without constant interruptions, so choose apps that matter. Then enable and calibrate health sensors, set your daily step goal, confirm heart rate sampling, and allow GPS for accurate workouts. These settings ensure the watch collects useful data and conserves power. To finish, start using core features. Receive notifications, track a workout, and check health stats. Then make sure AutoSync is enabled so data flows to your phone. Always install firmware updates when prompted because they address bugs and add improvements. If the watch becomes unresponsive, try a restart first. If issues persist, unpair then repair through the app to restore a clean connection. That usually resolves lingering sync or permission errors without losing your essential settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.